enjoy this time with me, and I want to share you something. Today we're gonna talk about a cocktail, which is a classic cocktail born in the 1980s. Name is Pina Colada. It's a young generation of classic cocktail, and since 1980s it's been in our cocktail book in each bar in around the world. So it's made it with 4-6 crushed ice cubes, 2 measures of white rum, and 1 measure of dark rum, and 3 measures of pineapple juice, actually, and 2 measures of coconut cream, and pineapple wedge to decorate the glass on the end. Alright then, so what we're gonna do, there are 2 steps to make this cocktail, which is really interesting. Is we can combine the cocktail with different appetizer, come from Mediterranean Sea, or one recommendation of the chef today is the gnocchi. Is a handmade gnocchi made with potato. So let's come back to the pina colada. Alright then, so the pina colada is made with few ingredients, normally based on rum and pineapple juice, and coconut cream. Wherever, what we're gonna do is whisk the crushed ice in a blender with the white rum and the dark one as well, and pineapple juice together with coconut cream, and making smoothie. Alright, and then pour without straining into a tall chilled glass, already been in the fridges for a while, and then dress it with the pineapple wedges on the edge of the glass, and that's it. Actually, it's ready to serve. Enjoy.